Alright, today we are going to start dicking with the Conquest's wiring. Kind of just trying to figure out our fucking lives and plans and stuff. Yeah, I'll flip the camera around here and we'll try and explain a little bit better what the hell we're going to do. Alright, so what we're looking at so far, brown will be tails, green and yellow will be turns, orange will be the reverse lights. This red wire will be for fuel pump, so it's got to run from here. We're going to mount the pan, we're going to go with the fuel rail, or not fuel rail, why am I even thinking fuel, relay panel, fuck, can't think of my, but the relay panel is going to be kind of looking like that, and it's going to be mounted over here. So basically what we're going to do, we're going to kind of do it in reverse of what I did in the Fiero. We're going to run all the wires to back here, and then we'll wire them up. So right now we're just trying to figure out what needs to be ran. So yeah, we're just trying to figure out what needs to be ran from where. But yeah, kind of just watch us figure this shit out, because we don't know what the hell we're doing right now. It's just in the planning phase basically, so let's start doing this shit. Alright, so what we did was we stripped the wires here. Perfect. And then Paul's going to be cameraman. And you always make the assumption that black is ground. Then we'll hook up. We'll start with the white. And
it did absolutely nothing.
Hold on. Wait a minute. And it did nothing.
Oh, got a backup light.
So red is reverse light.
That's like all.
Green, it looks like it's
All of them.
all of them. Oh, so
Well,
okay.
that's it running.
So white is your running lights. That fucking cannon in the background scared the shit out of me. Okay, so it looks like white will be your low lights, or like your, what is that, like your running lights. Red is your
brake.
Reverse, and then green was your brake. Pretty sure. Yeah.
Yep.
So these two. So white running, green is brake, and then brake / turn signal, and then this guy was your reverse light. That's all it takes. That's how you figure it out. That's how I figure it out. Just use your little handy dandy car battery charger and apply 12 volts. Never go wrong. Alright, we did the research, and so the red and silver horizontal stripes, that's going to be your reverse lights, and then your green and white are your brake turn, be the yellow wire, and then for the red wire we got that hooked up to white and blue, which is the running for the driver's side. And then the green wire is hooked up to a white and red wire for the running passenger. And those colors correspond to up here. They're the same colors up on here. And it's only on like this right side of the thing. You can see them where they come up from right here. They go right down. The other ones are for, we don't know. That's your to find out. And then our orange is obviously our ground. Yellow this yellow right here with the, doesn't matter color, but we got the flasher hooked up to that, and that on here is green and red. It looks brown, so it's either red or brown, but it's the, looks like it's the end pin. So, and then the red wire right here, which I just disconnected. Work with me here. So in theory, when you pull this, it's acting like your brakes. So the white-green wire up here on this is your brakes, and then it goes to like your brake switch, which is what this thing does. When you step on the brake, it pulls on this, and thus far it turns on your brakes. And then we don't have it hooked up yet, but the green and black on here is for your four-ways. You got to have another, well, we don't even have a switch for this four-ways, so, and then, so this is the turn signals, and this is the right turn signal. I feel like some of that feedback might be from, like, maybe not a great ground, so we'll find out when we get it all wired up, but that's where we're at right now. Alright, it is time to go get us some T-Bell, you know, because they got some nacho cheese fries. Nah, maybe one day they'll sponsor us. Yeah. But yeah, those fucking things are delicious, so we're going to go get some food. We just figured that stuff out, which is awesome. Did not expect to really figure that shit out. Not bad for a bunch of rookies. No, you're going to want to leave that on.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Got to charge that camera. Not going to be able to take you on the time lapse for driving to the Taco Bell, unfortunately. Hopefully no one runs a red light. I'll be mad. So, but all right, let's get there, get some food, come back, and we'll see what else we can get wired up. All right, well, I know that the GoPro freaking died on us. Well, I filled it up. It took a long time. I think Paul got here at like 3, and it's like fucking midnight right now. So this took a while, but we got everything wired, and then it goes in here. Relay panel's gonna be over here. And then it's ran behind there, up underneath, up onto the dash, and it's all wired in. And I managed to freaking figure that crap out, but now we're good. We put LEDs in there. We got to get LED flashers still, so the turn signals only work with like manually. You got to manually do them. So, but we'll give it a shot here. Do the brakes. Dang. And just like fake the turn signal. Yep. Sounds good and good. Yeah, so it turned out pretty good. And like, so these ones, so like this one right here is wired. These are both going to be on ignition switch. This red one goes to the brake switch and the flasher for your turn signals. And this one is just your running lights for your back brakes. But yeah, it turned out pretty good. Let's get a look in here. A little bit closer. Yeah, runs along there. It'll get tidied up more. And then it goes up through there, right across. Don't mind the kind of mess. A lot of these we don't really know. We're probably not even going to use most of them, because they used way too many wiring crap. But yeah, so that's pretty much all we got right now. Spent a good long day, but hey, worked out pretty good. We got the lights done, and then I had like a buttload of LEDs that I ordered for the Fiero. It was like cheaper to order like 30 freaking LEDs than it is to order like some other ones. So we converted his taillights to LEDs, so that's awesome.
But yeah, that's probably going to be it for this one. Pretty sure you going to be over tomorrow?
Probably not.
No. So we'll see what else. I'll probably try and come out tomorrow and get some stuff done on the fiero as long as it's not terrible out. So, all right, that's going to be it for this one. Like, comment, subscribe. See you in the next one.